Lebanese cuisine authentic cookbook. I would like to thank every single one of you for your support throughout the years. I spent nearly 2 years on this book. It has the best tips and steps to make the most authentic Lebanese recipes, step by step, from very basic ingredients. This book would not have been possible without the help of my mom, my aunties, the neighbors, and some of the leading experts across Lebanon. This is showing you how my mom is making 𝘓𝘓 bread, along with many other recipes that are authentic to Lebanon. And these include all sorts of mezzes that you would typically find on a Lebanese table. You're familiar with hummus. We share the secrets of making the best creamy hummus along with mutabbal. And I even show how to make everything from scratch, from molasses to homemade pickles, homemade tahini, how to make the perfect falafel from scratch, how to make the perfect barbecue party spread. And these include recipes like shawarma, tawu, and many more, including all the condiments. If you're interested in pre-ordering this book, I have added the link in my bio. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I will be showing more videos related to the book, the culture and the food in the coming weeks. And thank you again for all your support and help.